Do you want to use hands-free mode on Bingo AI? In this video, I will show you how to enable and use hands-free mode on the Bingo AI app step by step, so you can interact with the AI assistant using only your voice without touching your phone. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Bingo AI app. In this page, you will go to the sign of progress, as you see here. In this page of your progress, you will find this sign of settings, so you will tap on your settings. After that, here you will find this window of preferences. You will click on preferences, and then here in this page you will find hands-free mode, and then you will click here to enable hands-free mode on Bingo AI app. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.